Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one beautiful blue 1968 GTX numbers matching 440 under the hood. Look at this beautiful car, man. That paint is laid on there, slick as can be. Body lines are looking good. Chrome's looking great. I tell you what, the reflections in it, just beautiful. The guy who restored this car did one beautiful job on this beauty. Now, I do believe I've already told you, but she's blue on the bottom too. That's really special on these Mopars. A lot of times they're covered with that old nasty undercoating. This one is absolutely gorgeous. As a matter of fact, you may need to buy some mirrors and put on the bottom side of this baby just to show off to all your buddies when you take this baby to the car show. As you look down the side, straight as can be, no door dings, no nothing in this baby. She's just beautiful. Look at that interior. There's that 4-speed shifter in that center console. All the upholstery looks like it's brand new. Door panels, carpeting, the seat covers. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. That package tray back there is looking good. The headliner's looking good. The dome light's working. Just beautiful car. Inside, outside, bottom side, under the hood, the whole 9 yards. Looking great. That dash is in beautiful shape. You Mopar guys know that those dashes don't always look beautiful. This one is gorgeous. Now I'm going to grab the keys and we're going to pop the trunk because you always want to look at the floorboards in the trunk on these Mopar cars. That big long quarter panel, just as straight as can be. The Magnum 500's looking sweet. We got a big footprint on them babies also. That tail panel also on these GTXs, very rarely do they look this nice. This tail panel is beautiful. The chrome on the back bumper's looking good. And look at that trunk. Looks brand new in there. Like I said, when you've got a Mopar in your sights, make sure you lift up that map and look at that trunk floor. And look at that. All painted body color under there also. Look at the wheel wells. I look down in all the nooks and crannies here. You know the finish work there's good. You know the finish work on the rest of it's good. Even this bottom trunk lip, real important on every car you buy. Run your hand down there and feel what that feels like. Because a lot of times that rain would drip down here and hang there, and that's why the bottom of those rails would rot out. This one is beautiful. When you look down the passenger side, just like the driver's side, she's straight as an arrow. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. We own every one of our cars here. So you know we do our homework before we lay out our money. Then the very first thing that happens to every car is they get up on the lift and we inspect them. That way Tom can answer every one of your questions when you give him a call at 248-974-9513. Now you're catching us on YouTube right now. You can check out our whole website at vanguardmotorsales.com, but make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button and you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. GTX time, Rotisserie restored. 440 up front, 4-speed in the center console, her shifter. Love it. I love these T-grips. Tell you what, this is one sweet machine right here, guys. 440 power. Get out of the way, geese. All right. Now, Tommy can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513, and he'll explain that whole process to you. and we can also help you out with financing. No problem whatsoever. Now the banker can either take care of all your questions on the phone, or you can fill out that app online at vanguardmotorsales.com. No problem whatsoever. And don't forget, we're very close to the airport, and we'd love to have you come visit. Even though we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, we love to have our customers come in. Now look down here on the dash. Everything's looking sweet down here, nice and clean. You Mopar guys know, usually these dashes are pretty rough looking. This one is looking sweet. It's in beautiful shape. Then of course that Hurst shifter doesn't hurt. Love that thing. Now we are about to show you the bottom of this car. And at Vanguard, we show the bottom of every one of our cars. So rest assured, you're gonna know exactly what you're getting. Listen to this thing go through the gears too, man. You wanna talk about sweet? Just as smooth as can be. Just a wonderful car here. Power brakes are feeling good. Power steering's feeling good. Just a beauty. Get around the corner here, we'll make a little noise. Love it. Now, we're here at our main facility at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we got a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car you may want, so don't hesitate to ask. We're going in the air with it right now. All right, we're underneath this beautiful car now, and like I said, she's painted blue on the bottom. It's got brand new exhaust, brand new tank. The frame's all painted up. The bottom of the trunk floor's all painted up. The shackles look like they're new, and the springs also. That beautiful blue paint's looking sweet. Now we got a Dana rear end in it. It is a sure grip, and it's right around a 373 gear. You can see brand new brake lines. They look like they're stainless. Plus the guys will pull the brakes all apart and make sure they're in good working order. Looks like it's got new parking brake cables. We got good looking mufflers here. These look like they're stainless. Again, the frame's all painted up, looking sweet here. And look at the paint job on these floors. Man, you're gonna have to invest in some mirrors so you can show this baby off at every one of the car shows. Like I said earlier, normally these things look like a hot tar roof on the bottom. Somebody's taken a lot of time cleaning this baby up and painted her up. We got an A833 trans here. That is a Mopar 4-speed. It's got the stock appearing clutch. It looks like the Z-bar's new. Stock appearing bell housing here. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. Now normally on a 440 the number pad is right here, but on a 68 it's actually up on the top. We'll show you that when we get up there. Disc brakes up front. Looks like everything up here is new also. Ball joints look good. Sway bar, bushings, everything's looking good. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge is looking good. Now we got some, I believe these are Cooper Cobras. Yep, Cooper Cobras and some brand new Magnum 500s. Let's see if I can find a size. 215, 70, 15s here. And look at that wheel well there. Make sure you show off that wheel well. All the rubber's new, all the fasteners are new, and it's all painted blue up in there. You can see the bottom side of the rocker. I always check the bottom edge of the front fender, give away all my secrets. We got the pinch weld here looking good. Now on Mopars, normally there's a little anomaly right here, and normally it's a lot more than that. In the factory, they actually left the seam right there. That's where the quarter is tied into the rocker. Now out back, we got some meat on the ground, sticking some horsepower down. 295 50 15s back here, and you can see the paint work on that quarter right down to the bottom edge, and man, does that metallic look nice. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here we got 440. Like I said, normally on these blocks the numbers are stamped down there in the bottom, but on a 68 they're stamped right back here in the back, and we verified that it is numbers matching. It's got a Edelbrock carb on it. It's a 750. It is 4-barrel, of course. You can see all the Chrysler hoses here. Very, very cool. Chrysler radiator in it. The alternator, the exhaust manifolds have been painted with high heat paint. It does have power brakes and it does have power steering, and it does have what looks like a Mopar battery in it over there. Looking sweet. The fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood has been replaced. The bottom side of the hood has been painted. As you can see down here in the grill area, all this has been painted, all looks brand new. The inner wheelhouses have been all painted, look brand new. Even the firewalls all painted up and looking brand new. Guys, this is one sweet machine right here. You don't find them this nice ever. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.